It's your girl Jhordyn.
Off the Remy, had a back loose. Had to hit my old town to check the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with it.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhordyn. As you can tell by the title, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Playoff 12 here. So I've had this shoe for a while now. I actually got 3 pairs of this shoe. I was able to hit on sneakers for my dad, I was able to hit at Champs locally for myself, and I was able to hit at Chic in a size 13. They were supposed to be for my boyfriend, but he ended up getting his own pair. I'ma just call the Playoff my little lucky shoe because I got 3 pairs, all in different sizes. That literally never happens to me. That's besides the point though. Before we get into the video, make sure that you're following me on my Instagram at yourgirljordan_, and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel if you want more sneaker and fashion content. Make sure that you have your notifications on for both accounts because I'm constantly posting and you need to know when. All right, let's get into it. So the box is very basic. It's a standard Jordan 12s box. Let's just snag one of these shoes here. I have done literally nothing to it. This is its first real time out of the box. This 12 is extremely crispy to me because you have this nice soft black leather, super simple detailing that is silver, and a red Jumpman on the tongue. I also really like the fact that the majority of the bottom part is white. It's a super perfect contrast and the shoe just looks nice and clean. So down the tongue it spells out the word 2 and it has the number 3. So 2, 3, 23, Jumpman, hello. On the outside of the shoe, we also have Jumpman right here at this little gray / silver detailing. And there are also little Jumpmans on the eyelets. Looking at the back of the shoe, it says Jordan with another Jumpman, except this one is red, and the 23 on the back is in red. So again, I really like this shoe because of the fact that it's black and white. I also really appreciate the fact that it has some red decals. You don't gotta do much to add a little razzle dazzle, you feel me? So looking at the sole of the shoe, it is a standard 12 sole, obviously because of the silhouette. Again, we have a little bit of red decal. You're not gonna pay much attention to it though because it is on the sole of the shoe. These have not been worn anywhere, so they are still looking extremely crispy. I haven't even put it on my foot yet. In between the little slits on the sole, I also wanted to point out the fact that this is carbon fiber or carbon fiber-esque material. So let's talk about QC, okay? This is actually only my second pair of 12, so I'm honestly still kind of getting used to the shoe silhouette, but as I look around, there aren't a lot of imperfections. Feeling the leather, it is super soft, super good quality, and I am truly excited to wear it and see how the shoe ages as well. This back chunk is a plasticky material, but even though the material is completely different, it doesn't look weird and it doesn't throw off the whole entire vibe of the shoe. The same material is used here on the inside, and again, it does not throw off the vibe of the shoe. It all looks very much in unison and it looks very organized. As far as the inside of the shoe, it has a red Jumpman. I gotta angle it so the light will catch it, but you can kind of see that in there. But that's pretty much it for the review. I'm gonna give you guys a quick look around the shoe and then we can get into the on foot and then we can get into wrapping up this video. Alright y'all, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a big fat thumbs up. Also make sure that you are following me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel, and you have the notifications turned on for both so you know every single time that I post a new video, a new photo, or just new content period. Other than that, I genuinely hope that you enjoyed and found this helpful. If you are interested in the Playoff 12s, please go ahead and check out your local sneaker stores. There are some still sitting on the shelves and you might just get lucky on a nice little return for yourself. So just go ahead and check that out before you pull the trigger on any online buys. And that is that. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.